All right, we got a 2019 Jeep Renegade here. This bulb doesn't work. 18, 19, 20, same thing. We're going to open this axle panel right here. You need a Phillips head screwdriver, and then we'll get in there and see what we can do over here. On the opposite side, same thing. Same cover. So what we're going to do is take a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to open this cover. So these little clip screws, don't push too hard on them because they'll go right back in. So just go slowly. The screw part will come out. And then you can remove the clip itself. Same thing in the bottom here. Don't have a good angle. So get a stubby screwdriver. Or you're gonna have to kind of turn the wheel so you can have more clearance, because you see it's hitting in the back of the wheel now. So I should be able to turn this by hand, and I should be able to pull that clip out just like that. I'm gonna put that there. Same thing here. And this lid just comes out. And then as you can see, everything's in there for you to access. So what I wanna do here is, I'm gonna kind of go all that on there. Just wanna see which one it is. See that gray connector there? That's the one I'm tackling. Hopefully that is the one. Yep, that is the one. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna remove the connector first by going down on it, and then I'm gonna turn this guy counterclockwise, and this comes out. And we're gonna have to get the proper bulb. This is a single filament bulb here. So this came out of right over here. So if you guys got a Jeep Renegade, this bulb belongs here, and you access it from back here. So to take this out, what you want to do is, first of all, my hands are super dirty, so you want to clean hands or clean the bulb itself. So this guy comes right out. And so notice this notch, it has two notches. One is all the way to the tip of it. Can I get my finger there? See that little notch? And one is a little higher. Oh, they're both on the tip. So that's good. So the bulb number here is, doesn't have a bulb number. Okay, it doesn't have a 1056F, it says on it. I'm gonna go get a proper bulb, but I'm gonna remove my gloves. Okay, when I got a bulb, I don't have a size on this. 1156 NA. Okay, that's what it says, 1156 NA. Okay, try to find this single fill. It's a single wire inside, and this is what it looked like. And these earlobes, this and this, is the same spot. So you are gonna go find for the same bulb. So to put this in, you have to align these notches. I think that bulb is wrong, or am I wrong? Yeah, this bulb, yeah, definitely. Yeah, those notches are a little different than this. Those notches are different. See, the notches are not opposite of one each other. They're a little bit. This should have been. This, the one I got is right here, so it's the wrong bulb. Let me go see if I have the correct bulb. So I gotta get the correct bulb. So what you're gonna do is get the correct bulb, put this in there, and twist it on. And it should be kind of like spring loaded. Okay, so I use the same bulb. I kind of filed one of the notch, and it's still gonna work the same way, okay? So what I wanna do now is, I wanna go back in the spot. Where is it? Oh, then on there. So pretty much you can see it from back there, that I can get this bulb into the proper spot. Am I going crazy or what? There's the spot. There you go. And what you want to do now is, you want to twist it clockwise, and then you want to take your connector, put it back in there, and that should be it. So now you can test the bulb. I got the car on the lift, so I gotta do brakes and oil change, but this guy goes in, and then close this. usually what I do with this is, I don't think this is a push-in clip because some of them I can push in, but I'm gonna just turn it back in. And the process is the same on the other side. Really, this is gonna turn. Okay, here goes nothing. There it is. That sucks. There you go. So you gotta get the cover in there and close it up. So we're gonna turn it back on a little bit. Okay guys, there's 2 freaking bulbs in there. I removed the other one also. I had to come back in there. So the other one is has a where did I put it? The other one has a notch here. They're perfectly parallel to each other. So this is the wrong bulb also. So this is the other bulb, 7225. I'm gonna go in there. So I did not take off this connector, but they're right next to one another. It's hard to see in there, but you see, I took that one out and I took the other one out. So I really don't understand what's going on here, but I'm gonna get this in there somehow, some way. Let's see if I'm doing this right, because I can't even see the damn thing. So the notches, just align the notches. Let me get that in there. There you have it, where I got a working bulb. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did counterclockwise, and I'm gonna do clockwise. We're gonna go back in there, and our light should work now. That was really stupid. Okay, there we have it. Now reverse the, oh, I don't know what happened there. I think my bulb came loose. I'll get it in there and then I'll put the cover back the same way. Okay, I got mixed up with one or the other, but it's hard to see in there. So you're gonna go to the one that's further, not this gray one. One is like more further to the right. Anyways, put the cover back in just the way I showed you earlier.